Gappsi built this bocce court for a private residence in Westhampton, New York. This is Gappsi bocce court. We built all our bocce courts the same way. We can't have a standard with synthetic wood for the walls and the top. This wood will never rot or warp, and there's no screws or nails visible. The surface of the bocce court is Gappsi bocce turf. We import this turf from Italy, and underneath the turf we install gravel base for drainage and a high density foam. This will make the ball not leave any divots. This is pretty much a divot free bocce court, and the floor will always stay flat. On both ends we make the grass come up the side on the wall. This prevents the ball making a loud noise when it hits the wall. And we surround the bocce area with white gravel. This gravel was installed on the gravel fix. It's an honeycomb system that keeps the gravel in place. This is the latest bocce court installation done by Gappsi in Westhampton, New York.